you think that there's nothing wrong with.
I haven't said that. I just asked the question. What is wrong with the free SHS?
You know what is wrong with it? I can talk about many things.
What exactly
I'm talking about?
Yes.
4 things.
Okay.
4 things wrong. Number 1, you don't have enough spaces, both classroom and sleeping accommodation places.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Double track system, it is here with us. Double track system, it is here with us. Yada da ye, yetwa baboni. Yada da ye, yada da yo, yetwa baboni. Education Minister Honorable Haruna Iddrissu of C for double track system to fade out completely, it will take them up to 2027. 2027. 2027. You see? So we no more yani wa neti ha. And is it for? So actually 2028 election oh. Yan share 15% of point is in ya. 15% oh. Yan share omunya. Because as the days go by, they are being exposed big time. As the days go by, every single day, what they do, their approach to problems, the kind of solutions they give. As the days go by, it shows how clueless they are as a government, how incompetent they are. Now, only Nehemi Yawa way in name. Under Akufo-Addo's regime, we were on track to fade out double track this year. And can feel we in 2025 we double track. We won't hear about it again. Yeah. So that is why Akufo-Addo's government started one of the biggest projects. And I said one of the biggest nationwide construction project in the senior high schools. And started building even new schools. Now some of the useless E-blocks started modernizing them. All these things that just in the space of 8 years. Akufo-Addo, hey, that man, oh, that is why he will live long, because he has done so well, extremely well. Akufo-Addo, why are they? To be able to take care of over 3.7 million Ghanaian children through the senior high schools. Where are they, Papa? Where are they? But you see, we were ungrateful to Akufo-Addo.
For all the students who are entitled to take advantage of the free SHS. Because of this, the government has been forced to institute a shift system, which they call double track. And this shift system has brought untold hardship to both parents and students. And for which reason, a survey conducted by the University of Ghana singled out this shift system, double track system, as the worst form of policy that has been implemented since this government came to power. So, no responsible government will want to keep the shift system as part of this free SHS. And that is what we want to change.
That same research said parents were in favor of free SHS, but they were unhappy with the double track.
Precisely. So that is why we are saying we will not cancel free SHS, but we will take what the parents hate from it to make it right.
So you will not run double track?
No.
So where would you put the excess students?
Why would we cancel double track from basic school, only to introduce it at senior high
So
school.
where would you put the excess students if you keep free SHS?
That's why we have told you that within 90 days, we will be able to keep free HSS and cancel the double track.
How? Because of the excess students, the number of students out there.
Listen.
Because these people promise that when they come into power, within 90 days, clearly, they gave us deadline. Say within 90 days, they will have phased out the double track system. And in fact, this 90 days one day, Asiedu Nketiah I, General Secretary of NDC, Onu Nekai say mobile ban within 90 days, they will have done away with the double track. And the Honorable Johnson Asiedu Nketiah, aka General Mosquito. As for Woodie, your political career is dead. It's dead, though. Because we are hearing you want to become president. You want to become president with some of these things. What I say? 90 days, double track, no more. Then you come into power. Suddenly, the 90 days becomes an extension of over 2 years. 1 year is around 65 days. 2 years is about almost going to 810 days, 820 days. So in Asiedu Nketiah's playbook, 90 days is equal to 800 plus days. And you want to become president of Ghana, General Mosquito, unless you become butterfly, unless you convert from being mosquito to butterfly, then we don't know, or we are not able to recognize that it is you, the mosquito, that has switched into becoming a butterfly. That is only when you'll be able to become president in Ghana. We have told you. But as for Honorable Haruna Iddrissu, I remember clearly that when the news came that Honorable Haruna Iddrissu was appointed as designated as the Minister of Education, a lot of comments I saw on social media actually were saying that the man has been deliberately set up to fail. That the appointment of Honorable Haruna Iddrissu to man the education ministry is a deliberate setup for him to fail. And I'm beginning to believe it. Yeah. I am so much beginning to believe it now that Yanum, they intentionally did this to Honorable Haruna Iddrissu. Because enormous is the task ahead of him in the education sector. Very enormous. Aside that, the shoe he's fitting in, the outgone Minister of Education, Dr. Educhu, or a heavy load, jokes aside, very, very heavy payload. Very deep thinking man. I'm not saying Honorable Haruna is not a deep thinking man, but I'm just saying that because of the person that was occupying that position, market scheme are very, very, very high. So high that even if Honorable Haruna Iddrissu does his possible best, I doubt he will be able to match the records of Napo and Dr. Educhu at the Ministry of Education. I doubt. The TVET transformation, the STEM education, new curriculum, tablet distribution, laptop distribution, and all the others. Hey, enormous is the task. And at this point in time, I don't think anybody wishes to be Honorable Haruna Iddrissu. I don't think so. This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice writer on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.